Here we are, me and Chase. Mom and Brendan are behind us. Going up the ski lift.
I'm scared of heights, so this is gonna
all
be
the way up to the, what's it called? The natural bridge. Please do not, here we go. Do not litter from sky lift.
I mean, does gum count?
Maybe. Let's
litter.
see, ready? See how high we go. We're gonna go high?
Yeah, look at that.
We're gonna go too high? Ready? Here we go, ready? We're gonna go way up there. Let's pause it for a little bit here. Well, look at, we're already. Look how high that is. Don't look down, Chase.
Yeah.
Got a little creek down there. See the creek? We tried walking this, but Brendan didn't want to go all the way. We were so close.
This cost like 57 when it could have been.
So yeah, we could have been free. This cost us 50 bucks. Oh, we like stopped.
No, we're still going.
Oh, going slow. Slowed down, didn't it? There's the creek. Yeah, we walked.
Almost there.
Oh, we were so close, so close. Brendan.
We had to climb up a ladder though.
But yeah, it took us over an hour to walk it.
Could have been free, but
could have been free.
Had to pay $57 just to ride this.
That's right. My kids are wieners.
Oh, shut up.
Wiener whiners.
Hey, that was him, not me.
Let's see if we can see them. Way back there. Alright. Oh, we're going uphill here. Okay. We seem to keep stopping and going, bouncing a little bit.
It's kind of fun.
Like a woo. There's a big rock.
It's like so close to your feet.
Pretty close to our feet, isn't it?
I mean, they can't.
It's like gonna. We gonna hit it? We gonna hit it? Dude, we gonna hit it?
Hope not.
I know. Close. We
Looks
could
like
jump on it.
Nah.
Could. Oh yeah, you could. Look at people. Oh, money. Quartered. Oh, I know where I'm coming to get my money.
Holy jeez.
I got all kinds of money up there. There's the money rock.
Yeah, that's for sure.
The money stone.
Looks like Mom.
See all the money on the stone?
Look at all the money.
Still going up.
Oh jeez. Oh, look at that.
Oh,
rock.
now we gotta go way up.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, we got. Oh, look at that big rock. That's cool. How you doing? There's a cave. Dude, we can go in that cave.
No.
No. It's a cave. I hear people walking over there. Ooh, now we're going way up. Way up.
What am I gonna do about dismounting though?
You'll be fine. Tuck and roll. Tuck and roll.
I might have to throw the backpack.
You'll be fine. You'll get off just fine. Huh? It's a big rock. Big wall.
No littering, but
I know what.
Like photos on.
How you doing?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Good.
Jesus.
Well, here we go. We're almost to the top. I don't know, maybe. Looks like it's still going.
I feel like our feet are gonna hit that rock.
Are we gonna hit that rock? You think so? I don't think so.
Just imagine.
There's a nice trail. See, we can walk down there.
They said no trails, Tom.
Because you guys are
Literally, the
pansies.
sign back there said no trails.
No trails? Oh,
Still not done.
we're still. Uh-oh. They're gonna stop us right here by the cliff. We gotta jump off. Oh, I think we gotta get off here. All right, we're getting off.
Caution, chairs do not stop.
All right, here we go. Here's where we get off at. Let's watch these two come off. Huh?
Get over the slide next to the rut.
Hang on, buddy. Ready? Right through here. Ready? Run! Run, run, run! It's gonna get you! Whoa. That was close. Alright, what'd you guys think? Huh? What'd you think?
I wasn't too scared, actually. I was about to cry.
Mom was about to cry. What, Mom? How was it? Why? It wasn't bad. Chase is... What'd you think?
She didn't let me look to the side. She was freaking out.
What did you think?
I looked down and like...
You didn't like it?
It wasn't too bad at me. I'm like, okay, I just got it. I looked at my side. There was a bunch of mountains.
Yours was fine?
She was freaking out. Mom was fine with the part where you go straight, but not when you go up.
Are we going the right
The
way?
last part,
We're stopped and started bouncing. Alright, this is the natural bridge that we tried to walk to, but Brendan freaked out.
Brendan.
So hold on. It's ended up costing me $57.
For what?
Tickets,
Wait,
so I
you
could
could've
see it.
walked. Hey,
Slow down.
Brendan, Skylar.
Come over here. We can go see all that. The Laurel Bridge.
How long did it take to get up there?
Oh,
It's right here.
10 minutes.
Huh?
10 minutes.
Brendan, remember what I asked? Don't go on that edge.
Here's what? Probably Levi. Eli.
Tom?
We're on top of the bridge. Yeah, dude, that would hurt. A long ways. Alright, let's go up here. See you guys? You could roll. Come on. Get some pit. Oh, look at that over there. Why are you freaking Mom out? Just pay attention. See that big rock?
Oh, you're fine. We haven't been up here for like 5 minutes.
Shh. Stay back.
We didn't have a gate card.
What?
Let's go if I can have a gate card. We haven't been up here for 5 minutes.
That's a long ways down. What? Don't do that.
It was Big Blue Life. There you go.
You get any pictures, Mom?
I'm trying, but
He's fine. He's fine. What?
look.
What? It's a lizard. Dude, Brendan, look at it. The little lizard. See it?
Superman.
See him?
Hey, Superman.
Superman. He zoomed in. I think I got him. Oh, what? Don't move me.
Where is he?
He's right there.
Oh, I see him. I see him right here. Oh.
You see him?
Yeah, see him. He's that little green thing.
Yep. Hold on.
$57. That one we get away.
Okay, we're getting closer to the end. You guys gonna let's go down below it. The natural bridge below. Down these rocks.
What? No.
Steps. Be careful. We're gonna go down these steps. Okay, we gotta go down all of these steps. Go underneath the bridge. What do we gotta go through?
Fat man's misery.
Fat-
man's misery. Almost. The fattest man go through fat man.
The fat. Careful. Watch these steps.
What am I doing?
Careful. Careful.
There it is.
What? There it is. What's it? Fat man's misery. We gotta go through this big crack. Chase, can you fit? Brendan, suck that belly in. Anybody coming? Nope. We're good. One at a time.
Go, Chase.
Go. Go, Chase. Go.
Give me
Go.
one.
Stick that butt in.
Shut up. Oh, this is easy than this.
Ooh, it's slimy.
I mean,
You alright, Mom?
that's
This is pretty narrow. This is like 18 inches wide, maybe. I don't think it's 2 foot.
okay. Be careful right here. Be careful.
Careful. How you doing?
Don't touch the wall.
Slimy.
Right here.
What? There's the bridge.
We just came here to see the bridge.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah. This is like 60 foot.
Hard to believe what water did that.
How is it holding up though?
I don't know. What? What? Yeah. We can go. Let's go this way. I want to go over and see this.
I don't want to go through the trail.
We're not going down the trail.
Wow, look at that.
I know, that's what I want to see.
No, right here you don't get the deal. Right there is a bunch of trees. Mom, do you want a picture?
Well, not now, but what do you guys say about this, Brendan?
Not bad.
Huh? Let me see you. What do you think of the arch? It's pretty cool. Hard to believe water just ran through here. What's this? To make
I see fat man's misery.
the fat man's misery.
Starting now. One.
Probably be a rattlesnake in one of them holes. That's where they like to live.
Oh, wait.
What?
Now it's okay to be scared?
Might be one in there.
I think they flew it from snakes.
They cleared it from snakes. It's kind of cool.
But just look at that rock.
This rock's huge.
That's a minute.
Ooh, there's a snake hole.
Come on, Tom.
They live in there.
Come on.
I think it's too cold for them.
Yes.
Too cold in there. What? There's no snakes. Get over here. They need sun. There's no sun down here. Ooh. That'd be a nice little raccoon home.
Any trash cans in here?
Yeah, trash panda. Right there. Maybe Sonic lives down here.
Actually, makes sense.
Look at that big cave.
There's such a thing called, that might be the bat cave.
That might be a bear cave.
Be very careful on that edge right there.
Careful.
There's a bunch of tree stumps. It makes sense why Sonic would look at it. Look at you're not paying attention.
That just about slipped.
Careful on these roots. I want to see if we get to that. I don't think we can though. Go in that cave.
Come on, let's go.
Where are we going? Back? Alright. Okay, we're going back through. Careful. Ready?
I looked at Temple down there.
Whoa. Okay, back up to the sky lift. Oh, actually, we gotta go across the bridge again.
Nope.
Yeah, we do. Go. See it gold? Gotta be gold in them there hills. Huh? 2. Huh? Okay. Stay in the middle. Look for lizards. Your lizard's still there. Your lizard. Well, we gotta get going because we got a boat tour, so. Back across the bridge. They're leaving me. Where you going, bud? You calling ride with me? Alright. Okay. Say bye, Natural Bridge. Coming. Alright. Alright, we're gonna shut her off and do another video of the boat tour. So we're heading back to the sky lift, and that was our natural bridge walk. Alright, we'll see you guys.